Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do selective color edit in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to use selective color edit, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your Snapseed app. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now once you've selected the photo, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu. Now select Selective option here. From here, simply select the color that you want to edit like this and target the color that you want to edit. Now and create edit that you want to. Similarly, you can add more targets simply by clicking on this plus icon. And now again we can select another color. For now I'll choose red color. Now I'll edit it with my preference. And again, if you want to add more targets, simply click on this plus icon again and choose the color that you want to edit. And once you're happy with your edit, simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we have used selective color edit in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.